French fried corn dogs are my favorite of all the newer Korean street foods. Korean corn dogs are usually made with a yeasted batter by combining warm water, sugar, and yeast and letting it sit for a couple minutes before mixing. Add salt and flour, mix until smooth, and set aside to rise for 1 hour. Cut a potato into small cubes and soak them in water, then skewer your favorite hot dog or sausage links. I like these thicker and dewy sausage links, and I want cheese and sausage in every single bite, so I'm wrapping cheese slices around it. Drain and pat the potatoes dry, toss them in cornstarch and a pinch of salt, then lay some panko breadcrumbs next to them. The batter should be doubled in size by now. Dip the skewer into it using a twisting motion to coat it as evenly as possible. You may need to use your fingers to move it around. Just make sure the batter isn't too thick or too thin. Roll the skewer over the potatoes first, then roll it into the panko using your hands to firmly pack it in and shape the corn dog. When you're happy with the shape, immediately fry it at 350 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes. This is the color that we're looking for, then rest on a cooling rack and top with a sprinkle of sugar, ketchup, and mustard.